Hello, hi, marhaba, it's me, Elvito here, back again, and today we are here at the Green Planet here in Dubai. It's a dome which replicates the tropical forest, which is also a home for about 3,000 birds and plants and animals. So let's see what's the Green Planet all about. Until then, hold on and enjoy the vlog. So let's see, as we are here at the Green Planet, let's see how many exotic plants and animals or the other species we can identify here, because it said it has around 3,000 species of birds, plants and animals here. It's quite hot over here, but let's see how the tropical rainforest feels like when we enter inside. And the ticket is not much expensive now in summers. Maybe if you are the UAE resident, if you have the Emirates ID, you can get it like for maybe 100 dirham, or maybe even if you check online, maybe there will be more offers. So you can plan and buy the tickets accordingly. Right after you enter, there is like a big aquarium over here, which has a lot of fishes. It's like you're actually entering into the sea or the river, and you can get to see a closer look over here of all the fishes. So whatever you are going to see today here in the video is all about exotic birds and animals along with some plants. Right behind me, what you will see is the world's largest man-made artificial tree, which is standing tall here inside the dome, which serves as the home for around 3,000 birds and species. And you can see that the birds over here are left freely. Compared to the outside temperature, it's much more cooler over here, and it feels like a tropical rainforest as well. It's designed specifically in that way, so it caters to all the needs of the birds and the animals who are here. The top layer is the emergent layer of the canopy, and it's the highest point of the tree. It's like around 200 meters high. Uh, this is the place where the birds and the animals can get the maximum sunlight. So they usually like to be on the top part of the canopy. So the canopy here blocks winds, rainfall and sunlight, creating a humid and darker environment. So the trees have adapted by producing glossy leaves to repel water. So now I'm entering the kapok tree. The kapok tree is the largest tree you can find in the Amazon forest, and this is the one of the world's largest artificial tree, but it supports all the plants and animals. It's usually hollow from inside and has a height of over 70 meters and trunk diameter over 3 meters. And it supports all the plants, animals, and everything, whatever it can in its favor, it can support it. It's artificial though, but yes, it supports all the living beings over here. And these are not just the ordinary living beings, these are one of the world's exotic plants and animals which are here at the Green Planet. It was a great experience here at the Green Park, Dubai, because we got to experience some of the world's exotic animals, plants, birds, and other reptiles as well. It's very fascinating to know that only 10% of the rainforest is being covered on the surface of the earth, but it's a home for around half of the world's plants and species and animals. And it's very fascinating to see how life exists in this kind of environment. So, honest review about the Green Planet. I feel it's worth visiting the place because there are a lot of exotic wildlife which you will get to experience over here. The thing is, we were only taught in school about all these uh, plants and animals, but once you get to see it, you actually come to know like how they actually look and how they function and live in this kind of environment. So it's definitely a worth and a must visit place here in Dubai. And that was all for today. This is Alberto Luis signing off.